Hi there, I'm Elizabeth. On today's 5 Senses Friday, we are going to do a fun sensory experiment with things you can find in your kitchen.
For this experiment, you'll need a large baking dish or tray, some water, Kool-Aid, baking soda, dish soap, a spoon, and a measuring cup.
The first step is to measure out a half a cup of baking soda. Then spread it on the pan.
I like to play and explore the baking soda. What does it feel like? Does it have a smell? Next, add a squirt of dish soap and mix it up. Feel free to use your hands. How has the soap changed the baking soda?
Next, measure out a half a cup of Kool-Aid. Now you can use less than a half a cup. The only thing is the baking soda and Kool-Aid need to be about the same amounts. And sprinkle it over.
Again, have fun touching and playing the Kool-Aid as you mix it up. How does it feel different than the baking soda? Mine feels pretty rough. It's a gray-pink color and smells fruity.
Now it is time to make a hypothesis. A hypothesis is a guess or a prediction.
What do you think will happen when we add water? Let's try it out. What do you see? I notice there are bubbles forming and the color has changed from a grayish to a reddish to now an orangish color. It's a slow reaction, so let's speed up the video. What might be happening here? This is a chemical reaction, which is a change. When we add water to the baking soda and Kool-Aid, they begin to react and create a gas, which we can see in the bubbles and the foam. Feel free to touch the mixture and play with it. What does it feel like?
Now, that experiment works because of an ingredient in Kool-Aid called citric acid. Citric. What does that make you think of? That reminds me of the word citrus, like citrus fruit. So I wonder what might happen if we use the juice of a citrus fruit with baking soda. Let's try it out.
I'll squeeze the lime for its juice. Mix some baking soda with the soap. The soap does just what soap does best. Adds bubbles and makes the reaction easier to see. What is your hypothesis this time? What will happen when we add the lime juice to the baking soda and soap? Wow, look at that! This was a very fast reaction. If you were in the room with me, you would smell the lime in the air. Feel free to touch and play with this mixture.
Did you notice that the lime experiment reacted much faster than the Kool-Aid experiment? Why do you think that might be? Well, it's because in Kool-Aid, citric acid is the third ingredient. That means there's more sugar and fructose in this powder than citric acid. Lime has a lot more citric acid. Citric acid is what makes these limes taste very sour. Now it is your turn to be a scientist and explore chemical reactions. Do you have Kool-Aid or a lime at your house? If not, I wonder what else might react with baking soda. You could try different citrus fruits like a lemon, grapefruit, or an orange. Or you could try some vinegar and see what happens. Have fun exploring chemical reactions and using all of your senses. Bye!
Check out our Facebook page for more videos from the Austin Nature and Science Center.